Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie K. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I am in Soho. I'm meeting my friend. We're going to Sugarwood. So she's actually there waiting for me right now. It's nice today. It's not too hot.
Oh my God, guys! You're gonna make the kitty purr. Where's the elephants at? Where's the elephants at?
Buddy, there's another one right here. I just saw a video yesterday of them doing this on Instagram. And look, that's crazy.
I know every time I go to afternoon tea, I'm like, this is not gonna fill me up, and then that turn. Or you can get like
So are you this is your first time here? I'm gonna take a little second. So we are a naughty dessert shop. We are best known for our Woody and Kitty waffles. One purchase comes with toppings, so all you gotta do is tell me the shape. And when it comes out, let her know how you like it on top. If you are in the mood for something colder on this hot summer day, we do sell popsicles. Okay, so we have original and we have chocolate chip. What we like? Original. Are we paying together today? And for you?
I just want to go.
Two original, please. Thank you so much. Your Woody will be out in a few minutes.
Oh my God! Look at that! I just had T2s. My stomach is full from that.
You really just did that? Milk chocolate and what? What is it? Milk chocolate and what? I think the milk chocolate.
How deep do you want it? Silver black.
All the way.
You're nasty, that's
Shut up. Okay, that's good.
And we have the famous white chocolate, salted caramel, peanut butter.
The white one. What? You're grown. Stop acting like you're not grown.
It's a lot going on.
You're grown. That's crazy. Thank you.
Let me get caramel. The white chocolate. That thing looks glazed.
This is light. Mine is better than yours. How you making up your face? Just
Thank you.
it's food.
Does peanut butter have milk in it? Because I can't have dairy.
Sweet. The powder? I mean, the syrup. Sweet, right? These are nice. I know that. These are cute. No. I saw these on Temu, but I don't know. I don't see the person that's selling it. I don't know where he at.
Excuse me.
How much?
How you guys doing?
How much is this?
Rob, how much you got on the bond those? How much you got on the bond? 15?
15? Okay. This one. Oh. Let's see. I ain't gonna buy nothing, I'm just saying. In the Apple store. It's for AirPods. The outfit from Shein. We in Forever 21. I don't know where she getting. This is not my type of store. I don't be in here, but. Yo, I am tipsy. The first time when I got it, I thought it wasn't strong enough, but now this should keep me up. Oh my god, I'm ready to go home. And then look, I can check though. Oh, ciao.
I see you.
SohoPark, it was a vibe. Now I'm going home because I'm tipsy. Woo. Pop up. Pop up. Not hearing me. Come on, -y. Come on, -y. Yeah, that shit playing so loud. On definitely so. My booby. Hey y'all. It's Sunday and I'm in PA with my papa. I didn't even show y'all. They tear down the Arby's. That was Friendlies. Yeah, I didn't even try it. But it's hot. Me thinking it's gonna be cold out here. It is hot as hell. Forgive me, God, for saying that word, but it's hot. It's so damn hot. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. Look, it is so. They tore everything down. See, Friendlies. Go, baby, go. Like, come on, Papa. Outfit from Shein, shoes from Temu, handsome face from me, looking like me. Nah, it's hot though. The sun is out here. Jesus, my back is scotch up though. Like, let's go this way. I don't feel like walking over here. Go. He's playing the piano on his phone. Papa, here, this way, that way. Come on. That way. You're not paying attention. You gotta look at what you're going. Kimani. Kimani. Turn it down. So you can hear me. Turn it down. Yeah, go ahead now. Let's be blasting it. So I bought his uniform pants from Cookies and they did not fit. I went there after work on Friday and I'm about to go back and exchange. Look at the thing, I bought one. Kimani is given husky size because the regular 16 does not fit him. And I told his father we gotta cut out some stuff that he be eating because baby, the snacks, because he loves his Oreos. And then I'm getting him the chips, so it's either one. I told him like we gotta let him take a break from the Oreos. He needs to, because then he's eating rice and he's eating bread. I'm just gonna, I know he's a kid, but I watch my baby weight, okay? Just like I watch mine. You gotta take care of, just like you take care of your body, you gotta take care of your kids' bodies too. So, yeah, I be watching what he's eating. My father be like, he's a kid. Okay, so what? I don't need to wait late for him to start eating healthy. Watch when Kimani. I mean, he's not fat. Like, my baby is just tallest. Like a little, you know, he's not fat, but I need him to be healthier. You know what I'm saying? Like, why wait till you have issues to fix it? Like, just, you know, just prevent it from happening. That's how I see it. And me too, because I bought some, but I ain't wear this dress in a long time. Y'all ain't seen me in this dress in 1 year. Don't do it. 1 year since I wear this dress. I wear it to Bamboo Walk, and that was the last time I wore that dress. I mean, I wore this dress. As I was saying, I bought some clothes from Shein. I was supposed to do the haul. I ain't do the haul yet. The outfit that I had on yesterday, the whole outfit was from Shein. And I bought some shorts, and I bought a medium. That's my normal size. But the other day, huh? What's wrong? What's wrong?
I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Mwah. That's good. Alright. Sometimes he don't want me to hold his hand. But like I was saying, I bought the shorts and they're not fitting me. Medium. And I think it's because I be slacking. Because I've been drinking green tea every night before I go to bed. And I think I be slacking. I did the whole of last week I did not drink it. So that's probably why. But I'm starting back tonight. But actually I started this morning because I had green tea this morning. So this my arm is like, oh my god. Whew. I swear I have my jacket because I thought it was gonna be cold out here. Because when I checked the weather before I left for Pennsylvania, it's at 68. Baby, this feel like 85, 90. I feel like 90. So hot.
Yeah.
I bought him these two from Shein. I bought him this little cross thing, but it's like nail. You know how they nail Jesus on the cross? Yeah, I bought him that. There's his little bag. I bought this from Temu. Yeah, my baby gotta look fly. And it don't have to be no damn name brand. Okay? You can look fly without name brand. He don't like to wear the bag behind him. He like to put it right here. I've been up here for a few hours. Now, it's time to go to Walmart. I'm not buying a lot of stuff though, because he basically doesn't need much. He go back to school tomorrow. Papa, school tomorrow. Go back to school tomorrow. How you feel?
Yeah.
How you feel about school tomorrow? Do you want to go to school tomorrow?
No.
Huh?
Yeah.
He said no. Huh?
No school.
No, school tomorrow. Go back to school tomorrow, Papa. He said no school. You was having too much fun in the summertime, staying home. Should have went to summer school. But you don't have to go to summer school every year if you don't want to. But yeah, we're about to go in Walmart right now. So I'm not sure. I do this all the time. I'm not about to show y'all the same thing over and over again. So see y'all whenever. I don't know. It's cool.